Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Saj Education. In this video we are going to see 10 small and easy good thoughts. You can use these thoughts in your school assembly. So let's start.
Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
First one is, don't stop until you're proud. Stop dreaming, start doing.
I'm inspired by thirst.
Number 3 is, you're doing great, just don't give up.
First, I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts. But something deep inside.
Next is, I can and I will.
Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I
Next is, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun.
What comes next? I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what.
Number 6 is, success will never come to you, you have to go for it.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first.
Number 7, one day the word soon will be replaced by finally.
I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Next is, a winner is a dreamer who never gives up.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed.
Number 9 is, it's going to be hard, but hard does not mean impossible.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Last one is, work hard, dream big, and never give up. That's all for today. Hope you all like these 10 best good thoughts for school assembly. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more videos.